OG Fortnite is back. So today, we are going to build a gaming PC. The only problem is, I only have $363. So this is the plan. I bought an incredibly dirty PC off Facebook Marketplace for a very cheap price. Then, I clean it, upgrade the cooling system, and make it 10 times sexier. And lastly, I play Fortnite with my homies. First things first, we have to take the old PC apart. I bought this PC for $200, which gives me $163 to play with. Watch the video to the end to see the specs before and after. These are all the parts we are reusing. Let's clean and then rebuild. It was originally built in 2018, but the parts used in the build are still okay for the requirements of the games today. Even though it cannot run Fortnite with 200 plus FPS, we should be fine. Let's build this sexy thing. I know some of you will say I could have bought a better PC with this money, but honestly, I'd rather give up 20 FPS and have a silent, good-looking system. And trust me, folks, this is going to look beautiful.